how to show FPS on Android without root. So if you want to show the FPS on Android without root, then first you just need to simply open up your settings on your Android. So open up your settings. Under settings, you need to scroll down, and here you can go with the system option. Under system, here you will have developer options, but if you don't have the developer options, then you can simply go back and then go with about phone. Under phone, you need to go with the software information and then tap on the build number for 7 to 8 times and then enter your pin, and that's it. Your developer mode has been turned on. Once your developer mode has been turned on, now if you go with the system, here you will have your developer option. So tap on developer options. Under developer options, you need to search for the option of refresh rate. So go with the search, and under search you need to search for refresh rate. Tap on show refresh rate and it will take you to this option, and simply toggle on the option. Once you toggle it on, now here it will show the FPS on your Android on the upper left on your screen. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.